Lengang na irang leiba mafam singdagi Assam Rifles louthoklaga atoppa force amana mahut sin-naba thorang tawriba asigi mayokta ngasi Zomi Mothers Association Mar Women's Union amasung Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights ki masing yamlaba nupi singna Churachandpur gi lamkada Khongjang Changsinkhre ngasi yuki pung taramathoi makhairom chabadagi Churachandpur gi Peace Ground punduna Assam Rifles ki mahutta atoppa security force amana mahut sinbagi mayokta no Assam Rifles no peace. Don't remove Assam Rifles, we are safe with you. Haibana chingba kholau ki alauduna Khongjang adu Changsinkhre hairi. Jo women ki wangang loi senhyo chombing na fongdok-tuna center lengak asi majority oiriba maitaina in bada chatlabra natragan Assam Rifles ki michang mikhai naidaba to maitaina khanglabasu lana wahan tok tawduna kuki jomi mar singbu maitai gi mathak Makada thamba yanana batawribra hain hangki ngasige Khongjang aduga mari lenana Churachandpur district ki DC ki khotangda memorandum ama Union Minister Amit Sahada Bishin ki hairi.
The neutrality role played by the Assam Rifle in the current conflict was seen as biased by the Meitei community, as they want the Assam Rifle to openly and fully support the Meitei community in their sinister campaign to unhighlight the Kuki Zomi Mar community. Indeed, the Meitei community wants the Assam Rifle to act according to their dictates. We, the people of Zomi Kuki Mar community, are not against the deployment of any central force to maintain law and order and restore normalcy. Our demand is simple and straightforward, that if a battalion or two of Assam Rifle is withdrawn, it must be replaced with the Assam Rifle itself.